What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. This is Defi Bully. Today we're gonna be doing a quick run through with the zombie network. It's been doing good. I think it's been doing everything it's been saying it's been doing. It's been a little hiccups with some deposits that I've been hearing about lately in the Telegram. But besides that, it's looking really good. Excuse me, my voice a little bit gone, but let's jump right into it. But before that, please head over to the Defi Bully page. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You know it's time sensitive. My voice gone and everything like I said, but we still gotta get to this money. We still gotta get to this money, people. We gotta get to this money. And I'm showing my face, so let's go. Alright, so boom. Excuse me. Now, here in the zombie network, they have the staking, they have the swap where you could use your Klaytn tokens, because this is on the Klaytn network, so you will have to add this to your MetaMask. You could swap your clay tokens for blood tokens, which you need to invest into this. Now, if you do decide to stake, which pays 1% a day, you do it here. And to receive referral bonuses, like if you get people to join your team, you will need to have at least 2 NFTs. Okay, I believe today they're doing these type of thing, accessories like mustaches and bandanas. It might be different on the day that you decide to buy. I did purchase 2, so if you do decide to join my team and start earning that 1% daily on the Klaytn network, you could use my link down below. This is an amazing platform. So far so good. Now let's take a look. I've been in it for a couple of days. I recompounded other days. I believe this is about a day or a day and a half worth of blood tokens. I like how they have the USD conversion underneath it. It's similar to drip, people, similar to piston and these other 1% ROI things. So I have 42 blood tokens, which is worth about $372 right now. It's paying me 1% a day on that. It say I claim $4. I believe I just want to see if it is paying out. Oh, something different about this actually shows where you compound it. Interesting. Now your max payout is the amount that you have times 365%. So it's at $1,358 right now. So if I was to leave this alone and let's say it's paying me $3.70. Let's say it's paying $4 a day. Okay, it'll pay me $4 a day until I receive this $1,358. Okay, if you want me to go deeper into this, I can. I do have one person on my team. Shout out that person. You know who you are. It's just good. It's a good long-term play. You can compound your way to financial freedom. Like Albert Einstein says, compounding interest is the 8th wonder of the world. So let's compound, people. My $5.48. I'm gonna go ahead and compound this. Now you will notice that my $5.48 will be added to my deposits. Oh, it does it immediately on the Klaytn network. I love that. Oh, the claimed and the compound increases. Okay, even though I didn't claim it. So I don't think I ever claimed on this. All right, but so far so good. Now the NFT store, I'm not sure on what's to come, if we're going to be able to buy and sell it or whatever the case is. I do know that they have a new DAO coming soon. Oh, is it out? The zombie network wants to transform a project operating system into a DAO ecosystem, become a DAO zombie, and lead a zombie network together. Now this isn't out yet, people, but it is something that they plan on utilizing their tokens and just gaining value and adding utility to their tokens. Right now the blood token is at $8.82. That's not bad, especially compared to the launch price. People, this is not financial advice. These are risky. You could lose your money, but this, I feel like it's a good long-term play, especially so far. And this is made by Koreans, I believe. I think it's a Korean project. And it's my first project in the Klaytn network. So I just wanted to diversify my portfolio by adding different things to different chains, and this seems like a nice one on a Klaytn Smart chain, although it is a drip fork. And we've seen what happened to splassive. See what happened to Splash, people. Although they are doing a relaunch soon, so I'm staying hopeful with that. I'm not trying to bash them too much. Okay. Now, if you was to join the staking, you will have to add me as, you could use my buddy address or my wallet address. I will have that available down below, and then you will be a part of my team. You do it right here. You do get team, you add the address, and you join. Simple as that. Simple as that, people. Simple as that. Now this one I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, and nice. Remember, people, this isn't financial advice.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.